All right, everyone. Where do I take my car for repairs and maintenance? Where do we go, April? We take our car to Meineke Cinnaminson. And we don't care if it's raining or snowing or hot or humid or whatever the outside conditions are. We go there for all our car care needs. That's how we keep all our vehicles on the road. No matter if it's a small repair or a large repair, we go to Meineke Cinnaminson. And guess where we're headed, April? With our over 300,000 mile Toyota Sequoia. And how did this car reach over 300,000 miles and be reliable?
Maintenance.
By taking it to Meineke Cinnaminson for all its repairs and maintenance. So there's no unexpected issues when we need to go and get the kids to school or go to the doctor's appointments or get to work on time. And where do we go to take our truck for repairs and maintenance? Meineke Cinnaminson. With a 1997 vehicle, there's always some unexpected issue that pops up, and Meineke Cinnaminson fixes it. Where do we take our plow truck for repairs and maintenance when it sits for an entire year, rusting away, and never starts the following year? Meineke Cinnaminson. Where do we take our new Kia K4 2025? Meineke Cinnaminson. Of course, it's really no mileage on it and under warranty, but we take it there for oil changes. Whoa, what other vehicle do we have in our fleet? A 1997 Ford F-150?
I already said that.
Did I? Oh, I didn't mean that one. Where do we take our 1986 Monte Carlo race car?
It's sitting right now.
It's sitting in Meineke Cinnaminson's base for race car work and heavy engine repair because we blew it up on a dyno, but we trust Meineke Cinnaminson for car care and auto repair needs, big or small. And we're driving in a rainstorm back from the doctor's appointment, headed to Meineke Cinnaminson to see what's going on there. So now we're going to show you how to get to Meineke Cinnaminson from Route 73. And then where you'll see what it will look like when you come to get your car fixed. And even if you take your car someplace else and they screw it up, you could come to Meineke Cinnaminson to get it fixed. Right?
What do you think? Why are you on full-time road?
Why not? Maybe they'll see the flooded road and they'll give people they're like, wow, this guy's actually really local. So we trust Meineke Cinnaminson for many reasons. Not only am I the owner, but I am the main master mechanic. And I still have to pay for parts. And I still have to pay for labor. Oh, look at this giant puddle. You ready? I'm going to splash you, dude. Ah, you see the frogs hopping?
There's cars coming.
I don't care. Yeah, so I still have to pay labor, right? Because my mechanics don't work for free. And I necessarily sometimes work for free. But the parts aren't cheap. So I trust that guy at Meineke Cinnaminson and his mechanics. A lot of local used car dealers use Meineke Cinnaminson for quality repairs and maintenance. Right? They also have fantastic financing. Right? You can do that online. How do you say that? You can drive now and pay later, or fix now and pay later. Does any of these roads look familiar? This is Lanola Road. Stay with us. We got a few more minutes before we get to the destination. This is Lanola and Fork Landing Road. We just left 73 from a cardiologist appointment. Boom! Hit the gas. We drove some monster puddles. And then we're going to show you my race car sitting in Meineke Cinnaminson in the bay in pieces, because we trust those guys to even do race car work and engine work.